A client asked me if I could paint a house that had just been freshly skimmed. Supposed to be a quick job, just paint and go. But the moment I stepped inside, I knew something was wrong. When plaster is still wet, everything looks fine, smooth, clean. But once it dries, or you put that first mist coat on, that's when the problems start to show. If it's not done correctly, you'll see it once it dries, or after that first mist coat. Bumps, hollow spots, corners that were never shaped right, trowel lines still visible, missed patches, cracks that were just skimmed over, not actually filled. That first coat of paint doesn't hide anything. It brings it all out. On this job, there was no PVA used on the kitchen ceiling, and it had Artex underneath. So once the mist coat was applied, a big section of the plaster blew and had to be removed. Switches and sockets weren't even removed, just skimmed right around them. Fresh plaster was applied directly over damp areas. None of the woodwork was protected. Plaster was all over the place. Even blue grit was slapped right onto skirtings and door frames. Some parts were rushed, others left too long before the final pass. You can just tell this wasn't done with care. Either they were trying to move fast, or the person doing it just wasn't skilled enough. Probably both. If you're doing it yourself or paying someone else, don't judge the plaster while it's still wet. Wait until it's fully dry. Use a light and check the surface. Run your hand along the wall. Feel for dips and edges. And that first mist coat, that's your test. If there are problems, that's when they'll show. I've been doing this nearly 20 years, but my client hasn't. He didn't spot most of the things you're about to see. And that's not his fault. When you don't know what to look for, everything can seem fine at first, especially with fresh plaster and a clean coat of paint. But the truth always comes out. I don't like calling out other people's work, but this wasn't good. And the company that did it, reputable, doesn't matter. If the job's rushed or done without the right skills, the finish will always show it. Now I'll stop talking and let you see it for yourself. Before we finish, I want to show you something. This is how the walls and ceilings looked before any mist coat, just freshly skimmed. At first glance, they seem fine. But to be honest, I could already tell. They'd skimmed around sockets and switches without removing them, left a mess around door frames and skirtings, loads of multi-finish everywhere, no proper cutting in, and no bonding around the sockets where it was needed. But now that you've seen what shows up later, try to spot the issues before they become obvious. I'm walking you through the house, from the front door up to the loft. No edits, just a clean look. See if you can catch what the client didn't.